Hey, let me show you how you can fix the phone calls issue with your Huawei FreeBuds SE2. So if you cannot make the phone calls, you cannot hear anyone, there are two ways to try to fix it. So the first one, you can simply go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, and then when you are connected, you have to input both earbuds from this case. I mean input, remove. And then tap on the settings icon when you are connected and find this phone calls switcher. If for some reason it's turned off, you have to turn it on. And after a few seconds, mostly you will be able to make the phone calls and use your earbuds. But if this method doesn't work for you, the only way to fix and restore all default settings is to perform the hard reset. So we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case. Now just wait for a few seconds until this green icon disappears. If it's still turned on for some reason, like in my case, okay, right now it disappeared. So we have to locate the touch sensors right here and also right here, and we have to click and hold them, but gently. Click on them gently and take a look for this indicator on the front of your case. Right now they are blinking white, and after a few seconds it will turn to the red. So it means that we are going to perform the hard reset, and keep holding until it turns white again. There we go. Right now we perform the hard reset, and we can forget this connection and go to the new. So click to the pair new device and take a look for the available devices and select your Huawei FreeBuds SE2 and accept the pairing. And yeah, and that's all. Right now tell me if it works in your case. Bye!